Oh my god, I've got fire trucks outside my house. Look, I've got tons of fire trucks outside my house. I don't think there's any cops, but this is crazy. Like, right. I wonder what happened. That's crazy, guys. Like, and I didn't even know they were out there. I didn't even hear their sirens. I know this is illegal, but no firefighters gonna be watching this and they don't know where I live. That's crazy, guys. Look at that. Firefighters. Like, dang. I think there's an ambulance in the front, and then there's a fire truck in the back. Like, oh my god, guys. Oh, you like one of her? You want to her? Alright, peace out. Bye.